Hello student, today we will discuss number system of computer. Computer understand only binary number system. It has two digits 0 and 1. On is represented by 1 and off is represented by 0. Computer convert all type of data into numbers, even colors, outline of drawings, audio, video, etc. Technique to represent and work with number is called number system. Number systems are decimal, binary, octal, and hexadecimal. Base is defined as the number of digits in the number system. Binary has two base, it represents 0 and 1. Octal has base 8, it includes 0 to 7 number. Decimal has 10 as its base and is the most widely used number system. Hexadecimal has 16 as its base, 0 to 9 and A to F. Now see this table, it shows how binary number represent. The decimal number 3240 consists of the digit 0 in the unit position, 4 in the tens position, 2 in the hundred position and 3 in the thousand position. The method is known as the expanded form. The method of the number is found by multiplying the digit with the weight of its position and then adding the result. The rightmost digit of a number has the lowest weight, it is called least significant digit, and the leftmost digit has the highest weight, it is called most significant digit. In this number 3 is the most significant digit and 0 is the least significant digit. Computer and every digital system uses the binary number system to represent data. It is easy to design simple and accurate electronic circuits that operate with only two voltage levels. Now we will discuss decimal to binary conversion. There is a decimal number 75. We will convert it into binary number. Divide the given number by 2. Write the remainder either 0 or 1 and divide the quotient again by 2. Student, remember its remainders come only 0 or 1. Repeat the steps 2 till the quotient is 0. Remainder which are obtained at each step are written in reverse order. Let us understand again. 75 is a decimal number. We divide it by 2. When we divide the 75, its quotient comes 37 and remainder comes 1. Write the 37 below the 75 and remainder in the right side. Again, divide the 37 by 2. Its remainder comes 1. Write the remainder in one series and its quotient comes 18. Divide it by again 2. Its quotient comes 9. Divide it by 2 again and its quotient comes 4 and its remainder comes 1. Write remainder in one series and quotient below the upper numbers. Write 4 again by 2. Its remainder comes 0 and quotient comes 2. 2 again divide by 2. When we divide by 2 by 2, its remainder comes 0 and its quotient comes 1. 1 write in the remainder series. Next is the binary to decimal conversion. 10110 is a binary number. Now we will convert it into decimal number. Multiply each digit of the given binary number with 2 to the power 0 starting from the very first digit from right. So right number is 0, multiply it by 2 and give the power 0. Increase the power of 2 by 1 for each multiplication. Now from the right side, next number is 1. 1 multiply by 2 and give it power 1. Next number is 1 multiply by 2 and give it power 2. Next number is 0. Multiply it by 2 and give it power 3. And last number is 1. Multiply it by 2 and give the power of 2, 4. Now we will solve it. When we multiply any number by 0, it becomes 0. Next number 2 1 ja 2. Next number has the 2 power 2, it becomes 4. 4 1 ja 4. Next number becomes 0 because it multiply by 0, and the last number becomes 16. Now add these numbers, it becomes 22. That's why 10110 is binary number and it's equivalent to decimal number 22. In the same way, we can also convert the octal number. We know that octal number has the base of 8. That's why we multiply here by 8 instead of 2. Like 745 is a octal number, we will convert it into the decimal number. Multiply each digit of the given octal number by 8 to the power of 0, starting from the very first digit from right. Increase the power of 8 by 1 for each multiplication. Add all the numbers to get the equivalent decimal number. When we solve these numbers, 8 has power 0, it becomes 0 and 5 remains same. And in second number, 8 has power 1, 8 1 ja 8, and it multiply by 4, it becomes 32. And in last number, 8 has power 2, 8 8 ja 64, it multiply by 7, it becomes 448. And now add these numbers. It comes 485. That's why 745 octal number is equivalent to 485 decimal number. In the same way, we can also convert the hexadecimal number to decimal number. There is a hexadecimal number 4b, and in the previous table we have seen that b is equivalent to 11. So from the right side we will take the number 11 and multiply it by 16 and give it to power 0. From the right side next number is 4, multiply it by 16 and give it power 1. Now we will solve it where 16 has the power 0, it becomes 0 and 11 remains same. When 16 has power 1, it becomes 16 and multiply it by 4, it comes 64. Now add these number 11 and 64, it comes 75. In this way, 4b hexadecimal number is equivalent to 75 decimal number. Now we will discuss binary arithmetic. First is binary addition. See the table. In binary addition, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0. When we add 1 plus 1 plus 1, it takes 1 carry. In binary number, we have seen that 2 is right as 1, 0 and 3 is right as 1, 1 and so on. Now we will add 1, 1, 0, 1 and 1, 0, 1, 1. We start from the right side 1, 1, 2 and in binary number we write 2 as 1, 0. That's why we write 0 in bottom and 1 goes to carry. In next number 1, 1, 2, in the same way we write 0 in bottom and 1 goes to carry. 1, 1, 2, in the same way we write 0 in bottom and 1 goes to carry. In last number 1, 1, 2 and plus 1 carry, it becomes 3, and in binary number we write 3 as 1, 1. That's why we write in last 1, 1. So 1, 1, 0, 1 plus 1, 0, 1, 1 is 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. In binary subtraction table, 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Now we will subtract 1110 minus 100. In this number, 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, and 1, 1. Now we will do binary multiplication. In binary multiplication, 0 multiply 0 is 0, 0 multiply 1 is 0, 1 multiply 0 is 0, 1 multiply 1 is 1. You know student, when we multiply any number by 0, it becomes 0. Now we will multiply these numbers, and after multiplication we will add these numbers.